Hi all, welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Today we will see NCERT Classics Maths Chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. Our first topic is comparing numbers. See, we have given 4 numbers 92, 392, 4456, 89,742. We have to find the greatest number. In this case, we have to check the number of digits in each of these numbers. In 92, how many digits are there? There are only 2 digits. In 392, only 3 digits are there. In 4456, 4 digits are there. In 89,742, how many digits are there? There are 5 digits. So definitely 89,742 is the greatest number. Then see the next question. We have given 5 numbers. 1902, 1920, 9201, 9021, 9210. In this case, how many digits are there in each of these numbers? See, here we have 4 digits. The next number also, there are 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. So, all the numbers contain 4 digits. Then, how do you find the greatest number? So, you check the thousands place. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Check the thousands place digit. Here it is 1. The second number also it is 1. In the third number the thousands place digit is 9. So definitely 9 is greater than 1. So check the next number 9021. Here also the thousands place digit is 9. In 9210, which is the thousands place digit, it is 9. So, in 3 of these numbers, the thousands place digit is 9. Then, what is the next step? Then, look at the next place digit, that is hundreds place digit. Here, what is the hundreds place digit? Here it is 2. Then, 9021, the hundreds place digit is 0. In 9210, the hundreds place digit is 2. So, in these two numbers, hundreds place digit is 2. So, again, what we have to do? We have to check the next place digit, that is tens place digit. In 9201, tens place digit is 0. In 9210, tens place digit is 1. So, definitely 1 is greater than 0. So, which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 9210. Next, we will solve some questions from your NCERT textbook. The first question, numbers are given 382, 4972, 18, 59,785, 750. You have to find the greatest and the smallest number. See, count the number of digits in these numbers. In 382, how many digits are there? 3. 4972, 4 digits are there. 18, only 2 digits. 59,785, 5 digits are there. In 750, we have only 3 digits. So, which is the greatest number? Greatest number is the number with maximum number of digits. See, here we have 5 digits. So, 59,785 is the greatest number. And the smallest number is 18. 18 has only 2 digits. Next question. 1,473, 89,423, 100, 5,310. We have to find the greatest and smallest number. In 1,473, how many digits are there? We have 4 digits. 89,423, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. 100, only 3 digits. In 5,000, 4 digits. In 310, 3 digits. So, which one will be the greatest number? 89,423 because it has 5 digits. Then, which one will be the smallest number? 100. How do you get? In 100. See, check the hundreds place digit. Here we have 2 numbers with the number of digits as 3, 100 and 310. In 100, what is the hundreds place digit? It is 1. In 310, which is the hundreds place digit here? 3. Here 1 is less than 3. So 100 is the smallest number. Next question. 1,834, 75,284, 111, 2,333, 450. First find out the number of digits. In 1,834, we have 4 digits. Then 75,284, there are 5 digits. 111, 3 digits. 2,333, 4 digits. 450, 3 digits. So, which is the greatest number? 75,284 because it contains 5 digits. Then, which is the smallest number? Smallest number, see, 111 and 450 both have number of digits as 3. So, check the hundreds place digit first. Here it is, in 111 it is 1 and in 450 it is 4. So, definitely 1 is less than 4. So, 111 is the smallest number. Next question. 2,853, 7,691, 9,999, 12,002, 124. First find out the number of digits. See, in 2,853, there are 4 digits. 7,691, 4 digits. 9,999, 4 digits. 12,002, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. In 124, 3 digits are there. So, definitely 12,002 is the greatest number. Then, which one is the smallest number? 124. It contains only 3 digits. So, 124 is the smallest number. Next set of questions to find the greatest and smallest numbers. First question, we have 4 numbers, 4,536, 4,892, 4,370, 4,452. So first check the thousands place digit. Here in 4536, the thousands place digit is 4. 4892, also the thousands place digit is 4. In 4370, thousands place digit is 4. In 4452, thousands place digit is also 4. So to find the greatest and smallest number, we have to check the next position, that is hundreds place digit. In 4536, the hundreds place digit is 5. In 4892, the hundreds place digit is 8. In 4370, the hundreds place digit is 3. In 4452, the hundreds place digit is 4. So 8 is greater than other numbers. So the greatest number is 4892. Also the hundreds place digit in 4370, that is 3 is smallest. So the smallest number is 4370. Consider the next set of numbers. Here 15,623, 15,073, 15,189, 15,800. In all these numbers, the digit in the 10,000 place is same, that is 1. Again move to the next position, that is 1000 place. In all these numbers, 5 is the thousands place digit. So then move to hundreds place digit. The first number it is 6. Then in 15,073, hundreds place digit is 0. Then in 15,189 it is 1. Then in 15,800, hundreds place digit is 8. So here 8 is the largest number in the hundreds place. So 15,800 is the greatest number. Also the smallest number is 15,073, because in hundreds place digit, here the digit is 0. 0 is less than 6, 1 and 8. So smallest number is 15,073. Move to the next problem. 25,286, 25,245, 25,270, 25,210. Check the digits in the 10,000, 1000 and hundreds place. In all these digits, the digits are same, 252. So move to the next position, that is tens place. Here it is, the first number it is 8. Then in the second number, the digit in the tens place is 4. Then the third number it is 7. And the fourth number it is 1. So 25,286 is the greatest number, because 8 is larger than other numbers. Then the smallest number is 25,210, because 1 is less than the other numbers in the tens place. Then move to the last problem. 6,895, 23,787, 24,569, 24,659. The first number, there are only 4 digits. The remaining numbers, there are 5 digits. 5, 5, 5. So definitely the smaller number is 6,895. Then to find the greatest number, check the 10,000 place. Here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2. So in all the 3 cases, the digit is 2. So move to the next position, that is thousands place. Here it is 3. The second one, the thousands place digit is 4. The third number, the thousands place digit is also 4. So among these 2 numbers, we have to find the greatest number. So move to next position, that is hundreds place digit. here it is 5 and here it is 6. So the greatest number is 24,659. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Once more, thank you very much. We will see in the next video. Thank you.